Hello, my name is Mark Griffith. I'm very briefly going to explain in the next 2 minutes what the London Stock Exchange is. Shares have been traded in London for several centuries, and the London Stock Exchange is the world's oldest continuously running major stock exchange at the moment. And both London and New York are the only major stock exchanges which have not been closed due to war or violent revolution in the last 2 centuries. Slightly confusingly, the London Stock Exchange these days tends to refer to itself as the ISE, the International Stock Exchange, but everybody still calls it the London Stock Exchange. Of course, if you're trading it, you have to consider trading the European daytime, and if you're somewhere like New York or Chicago, you have to bear in mind, therefore, that the London Exchange opens at around 3 or 4 in the morning, your time, and will close round about lunchtime, your time. So you have to bear that in mind. Since 1986, the London Stock Exchange has had no floor trading. So in what was called the Big Bang, there were a number of big changes in London, and the stock exchange went off floor and became an electronic exchange like NASDAQ. And unlike NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, which still has a lot of active floor trading, volumes are fairly large, and of course, as it's one of the 2 that have never closed or never been shut down by revolution, it's still considered a very safe place to trade. And it's the place where easily the most North American shares are traded in the European time zone. So, if you're trading in London and you trust your broker, you're going to have to bear in mind that a lot of things are happening while you're still in bed in the morning, but learn about it and be careful, and you should be able to manage. Good luck.